Well, we are here on day 24 of the harvest. It's the 12th of August and we have this field and one other to finish. So pretty much the earliest finish in my harvest career here. This is some wild farmed wheat, some mixed blend, little skylark there. Mixed blend of wheats on some very, very thin ground. Which has really struggled with the lack of water. The grain moisture is about 13%. If it's doing 3 tonnes a hectare, we'll be lucky, I think. Very open crop. Had some organic manure applied early as a starter sort of fertiliser. Did have an understory of clover, but that has completely disappeared. You can tell by the speed of the combine and the amount of straw coming out of the back of it that there's not very much grain here at all. I will do a full harvest debrief, I think, tomorrow. But in terms of harvest 2025, I guess the highlight's going to be the oilseed rape, which was budgeted, the Mayflower first wheat after beans, which was our budgeted yield, maybe slightly above budget, followed by winter barley, slightly under budget, and then we've had some wheat off the hill. And on the sand and gravel lands, probably 30% below what we would normally expect. So the plus sides are virtually everything has come in dry. I think we dried about 40 tonnes of spring barley, probably about the same of wheat. There's the hill behind us, and yeah, harvest over and out.